we've had fun today, showing Thomas some cars, boarding some cars, so we can have a play and remember his first ever car show. Did you have fun, Thomas? Did you have fun? You had fun. Jesus, so serious. Camera gets on him and all of a sudden he's like, ugh. But yes. So back to home and then back to work tomorrow. So another day. The house is nearly built, guys, and there will be a build series on the car.